Wow!
Checking in. Hi guys, so now I'm on the way to my room. So let's 610. This is my room, 610. So now we are on the room, 610. Hold on. Wow, it says, welcome to Sofia Hotel, Yohanna. See? So beautiful. This is my bed. Look guys, to the toilet. So nice. The buttons. As you see. Shower, sink, full entrance. To stir. What I also love about here guys are the buttons. And of course, the lights. I can read. As you can see, I have here this, but they say that they're going to place this with the coffee machine, of course. And then, of course, my bed. My bag is over there, so
Avete passato?
Antricot.
Shaba, hi.
Wait a minute.
שלום, מה נשמע? ברוכים הבאים.
Hello, how are you? Welcome.
Good.
יש לנו פה סלמון, יש לנו פה אסדו, יש לנו פה אנטריקוט, יש לנו
כן.
פה פרגית. ברוכים הבאים, בתיאבון.
תודה. וואו.
עם חדרה, לא תגיעי.
Hi guys! So I just came back again to my room. Wow, this room is very beautiful because it's a new hotel. It's called the Sofia Sea of Galilee Hotel, and I'm sorry that I look like wasted because it's almost a whole day that we are doing inspection to all the hotels, and then afterwards we go to visit some sites as well. So that's why I'm a little bit exhausted. And just a quick review about this hotel. We had a very amazing and fantastic dinner, like superb. Salute to the chef. That food is amazing. Like everything that they serve is truly amazing. Also the dessert is 101%, like amazing. I cannot say anything that is bad because everything is so excellent and superb. And the room is also amazing, as you can see guys. So over here I have a very beautiful view of Tiberias. Amazing. Look. Very nice view of Tiberias. So that's it, guys. Now I'm going to open my small suitcase, as you can see. So guys, now I'm going to open my small suitcase to prepare for bed because I really need to. It's very small. We bought it when we went to our trip in Hungary and Bulgaria. So it's like this, guys. So I'm gonna open it. Gonna put out some, of course, my coat that I'm going to use tomorrow. And my clothes that I'm going, as well all the things that I need on showering. Taking out my little bit of makeup. Actually, guys, I don't usually put makeup, just a little bit of like face powder or something, and just the blush on, and that's it. So, but still I'm taking them out. Of course, my clothes for tomorrow. Scarf in case it's very cold. Okay, and of course my sleeping clothes. It's cold, so I have this. I need to put it outside already, and my pants as well. And of course, I never forget my devotional book before I sleep. I usually read some of the verses here to really give me motivations and to remind me that God is always with me whenever I go, and you know whatever happens about my day, either I have a good day or a bad day, that God is always there for me. So this is Princess Warrior. Keep reading them. That's it, guys. So now I will start now to prepare to sleep because I'm so tired. It's a long day, and tomorrow we need to wake up early to have breakfast around 7:30 a.m. and then we still need to have a full day tomorrow. We need to visit some more sites, and it's been an amazing day. So I just finished taking shower, and now I already washed my face, but I want to still wash it and to remove something in case there's some more dirt that wasn't taken away from it. So just want to wash more my face. So it's just a cotton balls, and I just want to clean more my face because I want to make sure that there's not anything that is left behind. Actually, it's just cotton balls and it's just water. As I mentioned, I never use anything on my face. And of course, guys, I bought my toothbrush, so it's very important to brush my teeth. So let's go. Let's go and brush. Boker tov, everyone. Boker tov. Tomorrow we will see. Boker tov. That's the beautiful view of Kinneret. Oh, and the mountains. So beautiful. Boker tov, boker tov. Boker tov! Good morning! So, it's making some eggs for us.
Boker tov. Magkamon.
Tודה רבה.
Good morning. Good morning.
Guys, we are checking out now. Elan, say hi. We're checking out. Bye. Tודה רבה. Bye bye. Very nice hotel. Bye. Thank you. Very beautiful, guys. The Magdala. So we just came from Magdala, the first century synagogue.